Okay, so it rained for a little bit, now it's stopped, and now I am close to my house, and I've always wanted to see how far I can get with the drone, or how high I can get with the drone on this water tower. So that's the next little test that we're gonna do, is height. See how high we can get. See if we can get close to that water tower. Except that there's power lines here, so I'm gonna have to watch that I don't run into those. That could be bad.